The one mistake which most email marketers are doing right now, so this video is something which you need to see right now only, because this is the mistake which so many email marketers are doing right now. So if you are someone who's actually using the email in order to sell something online, so you need to watch this particular full, right? So what is that particular mistake? There are certain kind of email marketers. If you can see them, they have the email list of 10,000, and they are emailing to every single buddy. And once they email to these particular people, people are buying from them, and let's say they have the conversion rate of 20%, right? So let's say they have 10,000 people, and in the conversion rate of 20%, so what is the 20% of 10,000? I think 2,000 people are buying from them, right? So that is the only reason they stop learning about that, right? So this is the one mistake which I see so many email marketers have right now. So I will request you to please learn about email marketing, right? So when you are in the starting of email marketing, in that time you used to learn by books, you used to watch the videos about email marketing. In that time you used to get the knowledge about email marketing. But once you started seeing the result, in that time you are thinking that why I should read about it, why I should watch the videos about it, because now I'm getting the result from the email marketing only. So I think this thing should stop right now, because the more you learn about email marketing, the more the kind of a passion you have, the more the kind of education you have, the more you will implement that particular thing in your email marketing list only, right? So that you should stop it right now. You need to learn about email marketing, because as a small business owner, what is your job? Your job is to create something new, right? So if you're not creating something, if you're not taking the education, if you're not entertaining yourself with the education, how can you provide more and more value to your list, right? Because if you can see, just because you are getting the result right now, that does not mean that you will get the result in the future also, right? So if you understand this particular field, if you understand this particular concept right now, that just because I'm getting the result right now, that does not mean that I'm going to get the result in the future also. So it can help you, it can give you the chance to learn about email marketing. So I think we are not following this particular trend right now. So I think we should learn about email marketing. You can watch the video, you can watch the reels, you can watch the videos about email marketing. The more you learn, the more you grasp about email marketing. So I think I'm also learning about email marketing. If you can see 3 to 4 videos every single day, 3 to 2 books every single day, I'm trying to do that. The more I will do that, the more I will learn about that, and the more I will learn about that, the more I will try to provide that particular value to my email marketing list. So if you are able to do that, you have a great chance to create more and more people in your email marketing list, and you can able to provide the value to them. If you are able to do that, then you are a great email marketer. So if you want to become a great email marketer, you need to think and act like a great email marketer. So thank you so much for watching this particular video.